Good day everyone, it's me, Thor Reyes, and welcome to another art video. Today I'm going to create a raccoon t-shirt design, and let's go! Before we start, let's put on our headphone and our drawing glove. Let's grab the pen, it's very important. Now open a document in Adobe Illustrator and let's begin. The sketch. Now let's show the whole process of sketching. When you are done with the sketch, let's proceed to the line art. Let's create a dynamic stroke, a thin to thick line art. And now, my favorite part, the coloring. Now the full coloring process. Seeing the drawing turning into life makes me really excited. Polishing, adding text, and color adjustment. Okay, that's it. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and if you want to support me and help me continue creating content like this, you can buy my art. Please visit my artist shop, or you can buy me a coffee. Links in the description. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, ReyesSector49, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Thor Reyes. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Peace.